set of plugs in. What I did, I had like a sand topsoil mix plus peat moss mix, and then I put some perennial / annual ryegrass in there so that grass will grow around it, and hopefully that might do a little better. She should come in in the next couple of days, but I got about another 90 pieces to go, but I'm gonna keep on until I finally get it. The Bermuda's starting to go dormant, and this is gonna go dormant also, but I gotta do something. It's driving me up the wall. Wish me luck. Well, even though this stuff is going dormant, I wanna even though this stuff is gonna go dormant, I'm not gonna not water it. You gotta keep some water on it. And I got a whole bunch left, about 80 pieces. I'm gonna plug those, and what I did was, I put the plugs down, try to level it off the best I could, and then I put some ryegrass and perennial and annual, because I had a bag of annual. I know that'll die off, but if I can get some grass in there to root in and hold the other guys in place, you know what I mean? That's my thought process. When I can get these guys to take, that's the main thing. If I can get this on, I got a zoisa and a different type of zoisa. I'm doing survival of the fittest. Whatever actually would take, this is my last chance to have a lawn, other than doing ryegrass and Bermuda till June when they die off. It's just frustrating. But in the spring, I'm gonna get a pallet of zoysia, probably the zoysia, and I'm gonna put it over there, and cut it up, and that pallet, which is gonna cost me about $300. I'm gonna be doing this zoysia, these zoysia plugs, and then that pallet, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be putting that in here too. I'm gonna get something in this daggone place, one way or another. I kind of, like they were saying, it's going to be like a 3-year process. So, I'm not going nowhere, and we're going to figure it out. That's the best we're going to do.